cutting our doors, our refrigerator panels, all of our finished end panels, basically anything square, simple cuts, nothing that's detailed.
What is it called again?
This
What's
is
the
our
name?
the panel saw or beam saw. It goes by either name. It depends on who's calling it what.
Okay.
Basically, it's all computerized. We put in our dimension in here. We have the size of our trim cut. So if we have a piece like this right here, we have about 5.5 inches till it hits the main piece of material. I could put that into my trim cut at 5.5, and when I put it in, and I'll demonstrate that right now. I'll put in 5.5. Enter, and we'll take a measurement on this. We'll tell it we want it at 40 inches. We put in 40. Enter. Our quantity, we want one of them. So, not 10, we want one. And so this also can do, like I said, I could have put 10, and actually, why don't I do that? I'll do 10, and I'll say to do 3 of them. We have 5.5 inch trim cut. So it clamps it, it pulls it in, and it reads it. It has a laser in there that reads where the material is. So it spit it out more than 5.5 inches because it measured from here. It didn't measure from here, it read it all the way there. So that's our trim.
That's the
Press our button. Yep, that's just our scrap, our garbage. That's a side pressure device, so you watch this on the next one, it'll come out, it'll get pushed over to the side. Oh, you couldn't see it. It has a side pressure that comes up and pushes it up against the side to square it up. See, so now I have 3 of them, 10 inches. What else is it? We do optimized programs. This thing is equipped with basically, it does a lot of math really fast for us. We have, let's do go back. So like on here, we have all of our different stuff we cut. Let's find some right here. So this was for a job, Aston Gardens, a while back. We can go through and enter in a whole page full. I can go in and enter all these dimensions in, and I go hit optimize, and it'll figure out what pieces can go on what sheet. It turns it the right way. We can select our grain direction, whether we want to go vertical, horizontal. So as long as we have the information, we put it in there. Let's reset the total quantity. So I do that and I hit produce. And it shows me up there now. If I were to start producing, it'll tell me what way to put the sheet up there, whether I want it this way, whether I want it to do it lengthwise. It'll cut it off. It tells you which way to spin it, everything, and it cuts everything precise right to size. So this is how we do all of our doors,
and I guess
drawer fronts.
And I guess this machine help you to create, make way less junk stuff.
Exactly.
So
and it's a lot easier if you have, all these. It's a lot faster to type it in, hit optimize, and me sit here and go, okay, what can I get out of this piece? And cut, and then spin, and oh shoot, had I done this, I could have, it's a lot less waste with this. There are still times when I catch it on here and I look and I'm like, wait a minute, it could have moved that part here and I would have had a bigger piece of leftover that I could have utilized for another part possibly. I like leaving the biggest piece as opposed to a few smaller pieces. Right. I like having a bigger piece because there's more chance of being able to cut that into something we can use. So there are times that I've noticed on here, it's like, yeah, you could have moved this part over there, but bottom line is it just does it a lot faster than what anyone else, than what a person can. It's pretty much it. It's all just computerized.
Are you gonna put in the whole sheet inside now?
I can do that. I can grab a cover sheet real quick, a scrap sheet that doesn't matter, and I can throw that up. But you need to cut something real quick.
cut and fire on top.
This is actually the piece that's gonna go inside.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
The big one. So we're gonna, after programming everything, we're gonna put the
I
whole
don't think
machine.
we are fine about
What?
right here.
Yeah, you gotta look at that.
I don't
before you-
see it.
The side pressure is not turned on either, Christian. Your side pressure. Oh, it is turned back on. Never mind. Sorry, it was turned on.
All the non-stop though. I like that the big sheet machine. The sheets are pretty heavy though.
Let's find something we can cut. I may as well just cut this one since they showed you.
How long does it take for this one to be cut?
It'll take a few minutes. And we don't have to do the whole thing. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it shows you where it's cutting and what it's cut. Tell you what to do now. Find this one. This sheet isn't the same size as what it's calling for. This is purely just for demonstration. But that off to the side. Now I want you to turn it again. It thinks there's way more material. done. It'll turn green when it's done. Pretty simple. You just follow the, what it tells you to do. As long as you get your dimensions in right. Cut this up anyway to throw it away, so it actually kind of worked out. That's it.